Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Tutorial Full Guide. Start by setting up controls and choosing a comfortable controller, then pick a beginner-friendly fighter like Mario or Kirby. Learn basic movement, jumping, shielding, grabbing, and simple attacks first. Practice directional tilts and smash attacks in training mode until inputs feel consistent. Take small breaks between sessions to avoid fatigue and keep progress steady and fun. Warm up with basic mechanics, movement, jumps, and directional aerials that help you control space on any stage. Focus on shielding and spot dodging to interrupt enemy combos and create opening windows. Practice grabs and follow-up throws to punish predictable shields and defensive play. Work on smash attacks for high damage and precise timing, then mix in tilts and aerials to keep opponents guessing and improve decision-making during matches. Once basics are solid, start refining strategy around stage selection and matchups that suit your fighter's toolkit. Learn edge guarding techniques and ledge traps to convert hits into early KOs, and practice safe approaches when opponents bait you. Study common opponent patterns and adapt your spacing, zoning, or rushdown to counter them. Keep a flexible game plan and slowly integrate advanced techniques like L-canceling feel, wave dashing practice, and combo confirms for consistent improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.